the update on our AI Digital Transformation Week Hackathon Bootcamp. And a very special welcome for all of our Go team and multiplai.tech customers and clients. This is our AI Digital Transformation Week Hackathon Bootcamp, happening for 5 days live in Cebu from the 18th of November. I'm going to take you through all the details of it so get you excited about the potential for 2025. Because you see, AI is coming like an avalanche, and talking straight, most business leaders just don't get it yet. But what if, consider this, your competition can outperform you in 2025 10 times faster, 10 times cheaper, 10 times the quality, and 10 times the consistency? It would be like they had these superpowers, right? But what if these superpowers were yours? That's what we want for you. So imagine this, 5 days. Over 5 days, we'll be doing these as 3-hour sessions, either live, immersive, in our brand new innovation center for multiplai.tech, where all of our AI developers and product managers and support team members are. You'll come and join us in the office over 5 immersive hands-on days in what we do, a hackathon style bootcamp. That means you're going to switch off all the notifications for 3 hours, and we're going to deep dive into this work. And you're going to pop out the other side with real impact for your business. In fact, my bet, strategic bet, the prediction for you is the impact on your business for each day that you have with us. The forecast for 2025 will be an impact of tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars of impact because of the way that we'll be applying AI to support you and your business. Best of all, you're going to get access to all of our latest AI tools that we're building or we're supporting, and you're going to get those to be able to use them in your business in 2025. And all in-person attendees will get additional support beyond the 3-hour session from our development and product teams as well. So you can stay in the office with us for the rest of the day and keep working and advancing what you've learned in those first 3 hours. In the first 3 hours each day though, you are going to come out with the tools set up and ready to go, and then you'll be able to take them to the next level, and we'll be there to help support you in it. Now, that extra support is only available for those that are attending live, and it's quite an immersive experience, but we also do have the online live stream version as well. Both of these are paid access to each of the events, and more details about pricing are available in the link below this video. All right, let's have a look at the plan now and see exactly what you're going to be getting into. Let's jump over to that. This is quite a week, all right? 5 immersive days. It'll be, day 1 will be foundation. Day 2 is all about marketing. Day 3 about customer support. Day 4 about sales. And then day 5 is getting your AI digital transformation ready for 2025. Because what we do in these 5 days, although we'll have tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars of impact in your organizations in 2025, it is the tip of the spear with what's possible as you start to transform your business into an AI-first organization. So let's have a look at it. In day 1, in the foundation, I'm going to take you through just level setting with a practical understanding of AI for business and what is possible now, as well as insights into what's coming and what will be possible in 2025. I'm going to share with you the key areas where you can really race ahead of your competition, both now, right? It'll happen in November when we're together. You're going to see this instant impact in moving ahead in comparison to your competition. And in December and January and February and all next year, this will be the foundation that'll set you up. Now you're going to get access to all of our products at multiplai.tech, all of our tools, as well as some advanced feature access that you wouldn't get unless you're live with us during these sessions. We'll be getting you set up with your heads-up display, which will give you the access into all of your AI tools. Your Raya AI agents, naturally, many of you have got those already right now, but we'll be releasing and giving to you a whole range of agents on that week as well. The Raya AI agents with automation. This is the new tool set that I've been sort of drip feeding out and giving you sneak peek insights into. This is the game changer. This is where you get long, complex automation processes that are handled by the AI and the automation. we'll be building out special recipes that you'll get access to, but only if you're joining these events. And that is whether you're live via the live stream or you're live in person. Now, those that come live in person are going to get a whole extra bonuses in their swag. So love to see you here. The AI-powered SOPs via the Source Wiki, foundation for getting your AI working. And then the brand new AI-powered customer service inbox. That is the AI and live chat that will change your business forever. This is like what Klarna is doing, where they've replaced thousands of employees by having level 1 and level 2 support being handled by their own AI agents. So you're going to get that power in your business. Also AI-powered workflow automation. This is brand new. We're just working on it right now. This will also change the game in your organization. We run our outsourcing business with 144 workflows. They're all automated workflows. We're going to share insights into some of the things we're doing there, but also help you set up your first one in your organization, as well as AI-powered phone calling. So let's get into more detail. So on day one, it'll be kind of like plugging into the matrix. And this is where we'll help you to 10x your company's knowledge, and the way that we employ every team member with their own AI assistants trained specifically on their role for your company. We're going to get you set up with the first number of those and think about your plan and your strategy across your organization to get everyone empowered with their AI. Now, for the Cebu attendees, each day you'll post a session, you'll be able to stay on for live one-on-one and group support in our office with the team that are actually building out all of this technology. It's a pretty rare experience. Day two is all about marketing, because let's face it, you've got to get those leads coming into the organization. Let's generate more revenue in 2025 than you've ever seen before. I'm going to share with you how to build out your own AI-powered autopilot content generation machine with advanced automations. This thing is next level. And we'll actually share with you a whole range of bonus automations that are not available to the public. They're the things that we're tinkering on in our laboratory behind the scenes, and you'll be the first to access those. Not only will you have the skill to build these out, but we're actually going to give you these advanced recipes straight into your systems so that you don't have to wait. Thousands and thousands of dollars of value just in these that we're sharing with you. Also, the AI-powered lead magnets for social media. This is wild. This is where the recognition today, email's dead, right? We all get so many emails. There's so much feels like spamming going on all the time. But, imagine having a 24/7 salesperson responding to your social media lead magnets, and any of the requests that come through will actually build out your contact database. And you're actually going to have this lead machine that's like what the top 1% of internet marketers are doing today. And you're going to walk away with this as part of this program for the next 12 months of running this system inside your organization. Super cool. Cebu attendees, of course, will get the post session for the in-person support. You're going to be able to get that in-person support. And you'll find that, especially when you get into some of these areas, you'll want to start building out additional lead magnets, setting it all up, getting it connected, and use that day as the real hackathon day to lift up your lead generation for your organization. Now, with all these new leads coming in, you're probably going to need some extra customer support, right? People are going to contact you through your website as well. They're going to have questions. And so in day three, we're going to say, be like Klarna. Get your customer service support happening first with AI, and then allow it to roll over to human support. Now, today, systems like this are extremely expensive to deploy across a whole organization. We are going to break what's possible from a cost-saving perspective with this new tool set. So imagine giving 24/7 live chat customer support, powered by AI, trained on the knowledge of your organization. And best of all, when a customer needs to roll over to live chat support, the request can be directed to the specific person in your organization via live chat. Not only will this platform be naturally all online, we'll also let those that are attending these sessions get the advanced access to the Microsoft Teams and Slack integrations as well. so that you can know that no matter where people are in the organization, that live chat support will come directly through to Teams and Slack. You will get advanced access to those features. And of course, we're in there to support you straight away afterwards. So what will end up happening is you're going to set up your organization where every employee in the organization can be available to access live chat, so that we've moved to this world, as we know, email's dead. It's really quite overwhelming for people. Now, people want to get a live chat, instant responses, instant support. Your AI is going to be able to behave and respond like each of those experts in each position in your organization. And then at any point in time, roll over to live chat and allow the key team members in your organization to give out that first-class support, right? And we know what customers want today. They want instant access, instant response, no time delay for waiting. People don't want to submit support tickets. They don't even want to email anymore. They just need to get direct to the answer, because speed is everything. This is in itself this is a game changer. Tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars impact just in this alone within your organizations for 2025 and beyond. Then day 4, we're going to go into sales support. Imagine having every call answered instantly with high quality and achieve inbound appointment setting with AI-powered phone calls. That's right. You're going to actually, on this day, have set up your own inbound phone calling system that will assist you with appointment setting. You could also use it for customer support as well, but we're going to focus on the appointment setting. And then I'm going to share with you how to understand the nuances of outbound appointment setting with AI, what's possible today, and then what's coming in 2025. Then hang around on this day, because this is a great support day as you get all of your phone systems set up. When you get into the phone calling, there's a few extra steps depending on what country that you're coming from, and you'll need to navigate through that. So our team will be there to support you, and that in itself is worth hundreds of dollars, if not close to $1,000 in support setup just in that day alone. Then let's bring it all together on day 5, as you're now getting super confident around the use of AI. You're actually going to fly back home, and you'll be showing your friends and the team members in your organization what you've achieved within just these first 4 days. And they will think that you are a tech guru genius because of what comes out at the end of it. You're going to feel so confident around your usage of AI with real, practical, daily impact within your organization from these days going forward. But that will just be the tip of the iceberg. In fact, I would say by this stage, you're salivating with the excitement of what's possible and what you'll be able to do in your organization in 2025. So it's on day 5 with all these new skills that will be going deep into your own personalized AI digital transformation plan. I'm going to share with you actually how to make the AI digital transformation part of your organization's DNA. You will become an AI first organization by the end of these 5 days. Build out your plan for 2025 with an online project plan that you can share with your team. We're actually going to give you the tools, set that up, and then share it with your team right from day 5. You'll also design your first workflow automation specifically for your business by simply talking to the AI. This is wild. You'll just brainstorm out the ideas. It's going to capture it and convert the whole thing into a workflow for you. And then you can do the final steps to set up to get it starting to execute in your organization. And of course, for Cebu attendees, hang around. We'll continue on. This is a day where you'll have lots of questions, lots of planning. I think also just the dynamic of the group sharing ideas, you're going to be inspired around what's possible. Then, for those that are attending in person in Cebu, day 6, the bonus day, no work on this day. It is all play. It's all about celebration for the day. We have an event party. So join us. It's our Go Team and multiplai.tech end of year celebration. Over 1,000 people. There will be 1,000 new friends. And it's exclusive for those that are coming to join us here live in Cebu. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm pretty excited about what's possible for you. Now, the question you probably got right now is how to get involved, how much are flights, how much is accommodation, these sorts of questions. Now, we're going to have all of the details updated for you. So you'll find this link in the video below, and then you'll head on over to multiplai.tech, Cebu 2024, please note that the in-person event spaces are limited because it is within our office. And we also want to make sure that this is a very dynamic group that are getting hands-on, that we can help support. It's a small group, okay? But for those that want to join online, seats are unlimited there, but you'll see the pricing is going to escalate as we get closer to the date. So jump in early and secure your position. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Cebu in the Philippines. If you're flying from Australia, you'll generally fly through Manila and then to Cebu, or through Singapore and then to Cebu. That's my favorite route. If you're coming from the United States or different countries, you'll find some locations like Dallas will do a direct flight to Cebu. So check out your TripAdvisor or your Skyscanner or one of your favorite online websites to have a look for those special flight details. Now then, when it comes to a location to stay, we recommend staying during the week come in Sunday night so you can get ready, because it is a 6 a.m. Cebu start. That's 8 a.m. for Australia, and it'll be like 6 p.m. if you're on the East Coast of the United States. We've selected that time to balance everyone's times out. So you're either finishing your day from the US, and if you're from the US and you're visiting your team members, it's a great way to keep on your time zone, have time with your team in the evening, and then join us at what would be the end of your day at 6 a.m. or feeling like it was 6 p.m. in East Coast USA time. For those that are coming from locations like Australia, of course, 6 a.m. is like 8 a.m. And so it'll be a nice start to your day. We recommend staying at the Seda Hotel. It's SEDA. We'll put all the details on the page below, in IT Park, which is where our office is. Then it's a small walk to over to the office, like only a few minutes. And we'll head up to level 14. You can enjoy the beautiful views of our office. And then we're going to get down into work. We'll make sure we've got plenty of coffee and refreshments available for you, and included your lunch on the day, or breakfast and lunch on the day as well. We'll take care of that also each day for those that are live in Cebu. And then on the weekend, we recommend on Friday night making a move over to Mactan Island, which is where you will land at the Mactan International Airport. At Mactan Island and Cebu are connected by a bridge, and it's about 40 minutes to 1 hour's drive from the airport to the office. And we recommend Friday afternoon, let's go and relax. We'll all go, and I recommend we stay at either at the Shangri-La Hotel at Mactan Cebu or the Sheraton. We'll put down a couple of those options. I'll let you know where I'm staying. So if you want to choose to stay in the same location, we can all have dinner together on the Friday night as well, and a few drinks. And then on Saturday is where the event is at. So if you like to do some sporting activities, Shangri-La is a great spot for that. There's beautiful, you can swim with and snorkel with the fish right on the beach there. You can go dragon boat rowing on the Saturday mornings, and then on Saturday evening we'll go off to the party. If you like a sort of more modern hotel, then the Sheraton on Mactan is only about 1 year old, and it's beautiful as well. They're both our favorite locations. We're going to share all those details. Also, if you want some, we'll share some additional accommodation options apart from the Seda Hotel in IT Park. There's plenty of Airbnbs that are super cost effective as well around the area. The main thing though is make sure that you're only walking distance from the office, because traffic can get a little bit messy and you just don't want to have to think about that. Just get yourself immersed in the digital transformation. All right, that's it. All the details are going to be available on the website, so check out the link below from this video. Looking forward to seeing you in Cebu or online. And let's get tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars of impact for your organizations using AI digital transformation. They're all set up and ready to go for 2025. I'll see you there.